In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove two-step authentication on LinkedIn. If you want to turn off two-step authentication on your LinkedIn account, this is a very quick process, and I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed in to your LinkedIn account, because all of the settings we need are inside your profile menu. Start by looking at the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. There you'll see the Me option. Go ahead and click on Me to open the account menu. This section gives you access to your profile, account preferences, and privacy controls. Once the menu opens, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings area for your LinkedIn account, where you can manage things like account access, privacy options, and security features. If you don't see everything right away, just give the page a second to load. After that, go to Sign In and Security. This is the section where LinkedIn keeps all the options related to how you log in and how your account is protected. Since two-step authentication is a login security feature, this is exactly where we need to be. Now in this section, click on Two-Factor Authentication to configure it. When you open it, LinkedIn will show you the current status of the feature and give you the option to make changes. If two-step authentication is currently active on your account, you should see the option to disable it from here. Go ahead and disable it. Depending on your account, LinkedIn may ask you to confirm your identity before the change is applied. That's normal since this is a security-related setting. Just follow the on-screen prompts and confirm the change if needed. Once it's turned off, two-step authentication will no longer be required when signing in. Keep in mind that disabling this feature can make logging in faster, but it also removes an extra layer of account protection. So if you ever decide you want more security again in the future, you can return to the same section and re-enable it. And that's all. That's how to remove two-step authentication on LinkedIn.